Now let's talk about ketogenic fuels, MCT 143, that was formulated by Dr. Mary Newport. She has an amazing story, but basically MCT 143 you can put on your salad, and it's a highly concentrated form of MCTs. Now MCTs are medium chain triglycerides. They're fats that are anywhere from 6 to 12 length. Some people say 6 to 10. And so because they're shorter, they get burned really fast. And when you burn fat really fast, you form ketones. Also, Keto Cream is high in MCTs. Same thing, it's MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, because they're shorter than normal fats, which are 20 chains of carbons or longer. You burn them up really fast, you produce ketones. Now, the next thing that Pruvit recommends is why they provide Keto Cream. Because we recommend intermittent fasting. So when you intermittent fast, you wake up in the morning, maybe you have coffee, you put Keto Cream in it, it's a modified intermittent fast. You're basically gonna promote high amounts of ketogenesis. And then at lunch, maybe you have a salad and some meat and you put MCT 143. Now you walked out of the metabolic fast, you're in a ketogenic state, you promoted endogenous production of ketones or ketogenesis in the morning. Now you're gonna put MCT 143 on your salad, and that's gonna further promote ketogenesis. Ketogenesis is the production of ketones in the liver, in the body from fat. It happens in the mitochondria. The best way to enhance ketogenesis is gonna be intermittent fasting and modified fasting, followed by normal low carbohydrate dieting. Pruvit has launched the first mechanized modified fasting program in the world. It addresses all the fallbacks and negatives of fasting. You stop muscle loss, you increase energy, you prevent electrolyte loss, you prevent that brain fog, and you don't lower your metabolism like a normal fast. Pruvit's also provided endogenous fuels like MCT. So you have 1,4-MCT and you have Keto Cream. We recommend using modified intermittent fasting every day. So you wake in the morning, you have some coffee and Keto Cream. At lunch, you have a salad, which by the way is gonna promote endogenous butyrate production, and you put some 1,4,3-MCT on it, okay? So with that, guys, thank you so much. It was a great time interacting with you. I really enjoyed it. Just prove it every day. I'll see you guys next time.